Assalamu alaikum. Today our topic coronavirus. I will tell you about coronavirus. Coronavirus has many different types. Some mainly affects humans, and whereas some affect the other animals like bat and camel. These animals, bat and camel, are viral reservoir. It spread from one person to another person. It is typically benign, and it's start from common cold illness. There are grading of the coronavirus that is noted by R naught. R naught is equal to how quickly it spreads. If R naught is less than 1, it spreads less. If R naught is equal to 1, it spreads more. And if R naught more than 1, it is spreads very quickly. Add about coronavirus is a viral animal that is viral reservoir called a bat. From the bat it transfer from into human, and from the human to the family members or healthcare workers, and it spread from sneezing, cough, or air droplets, like person to person transfer of the coronavirus. The incubation period of the coronavirus is 3 to 6 days, and the common symptoms of the coronavirus are fever, cough, and shortness of breath. The diagnosis can be made by the test they called the DNA test, and the treatment of the coronavirus is broad spectrum antiviral therapy and vaccination. But at this moment now, there is no vaccine available for the coronavirus. The precautions are wash your hands, avoid touching eyes, nose, and mouth, and do not visit the area where the virus is common.